Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the clock on One UI 7 and 8. I know I have talked about this many times in the past. However, I still have people messaging me saying they're unable to use the new One UI 8 adaptive clock on the Samsung Galaxy device. So if you're someone who loves to make your phone look as good as it performs, this one's for you. Samsung's One UI 7 and 8 have added some seriously cool customization options for your lock screen clock. So you can now change its font, color, alignment, and the layout. You can even add subtle gradient effects or even make it match your wallpaper for a more cohesive look. And there's a new feature called the adaptive clock. So let me show you how to use this step by step. So we'll go ahead and first edit our homepage. We'll tap on wallpaper and style, then we'll tap on our lock screen. So as you can see, the adaptive clock has already been enabled. So I have this person here as a wallpaper. And now if I go ahead and move this clock anywhere I like, you'll see that it's actually adapting to your subject in the wallpaper. So if I go ahead and move it in the center, if I go ahead and increase the size, you'll see that it's adapting to that. So the one becomes larger and it tries not to cover any face. So how do you get this kind of clock? So to do this, you want to go ahead and tap on this. You want to go ahead and tap on font and color, and here you're looking for this animated time, which looks like this. So you want to go ahead and tap on this. So this is your adaptive clock. Next, you want to go ahead and choose on style, and you want to make sure you're on this second option here. So this basically adapts to your subject in the wallpaper. You can go ahead and choose this one as well, as this one also adapts. However, this doesn't give you that much effect. It just basically shows you a more of a portrait view. So here you can go ahead and make it larger. If you don't want to move the time where it is, you can go ahead and start moving the person in the wallpaper. So as you can see, I'm just starting to move this wallpaper here around, and it's adapting to that person. Now next, if you want to go ahead and choose these other layouts which are available. So these are not adaptive clocks. They're just normal clocks that basically stays on your lock screen. So this is quite a famous one, which is from One UI 7. This doesn't adapt, however. There's another one as well, something like this. And if you still feel like this is not enough, you can go ahead and install the clock face. So this is a module from the Good Lock app. And this will basically give you all these different kind of variations of clock faces. So you can go ahead and choose all from this. So it's a small visual detail that goes a long way toward personalizing your phone. You can make your lock screen minimalistic, elegant, or colorful and expressive. So it's totally your choice. And since it's built into Samsung's customization tool, it looks smooth, professional, not just like a third-party mod. So there you go, guys. That is how to customize a clock on One UI 7 and 8.